Coming to HKUST was a very unexpected choice for me. When I was actively applying for universities for my masters, I did not consider Asia to be a viable option. However, I attended an education fair, and that was where I came across HKUST as a university. Then I did my own research, and upon that I understood that this was the place where I should be going. The most important factor was that the subject was the perfect amalgamation of all the things which I needed to learn to make my transition from engineering to management. Secondly, the location of HKUST is really serene when compared to the hustling and bustling Hong Kong. And the added advantage of having a high-ranked university always looks good. The one thing which is very special about EEM is that it's really broad and varied in its course and curriculum. There are a lot of things which you can do. You start learning accounting to marketing to IT to a lot of things all in one place. For somebody like me who did not know what they wanted to do but just wanted to come out of the engineering background and venture into business, this course was perfect. You are in class with a lot of people who are brilliant. They can study really well and they put in a lot of effort in their work. Plus you have great teachers, you have assignments, you have projects, and you do this in a team-based environment. So at the backhand of things, you're really developing your interpersonal skills, which I think are really important for students to make their impact on this ambitious and widely growing job market. When you're in a class filled with students who have exceptional academic prowess and more experience than you in general, it can seem a little intimidating at first, but then when you look at it, it's something which really pushes you to do better. As I've said, students put in a lot of effort into the work they do and their quality is amazing. So when you look at that, you want to improve yourself. The only concern when I was coming here was, of course, the language. But I realized that when you take up a challenge to go to a foreign country, which is literally foreign in every aspect, it's just a part of experience. And me as a person have gotten lost many times, taken the wrong buses, had the wrong food, but at the same time it's something which has really helped me become a better person, I feel. Like it's a self-enriching experience, and when you've taken up the challenge to come here, I think it's just part of the experience. This program is perfect for anybody who wants to make a transition from engineering to management. And for somebody like me who did not have an idea as to what they wanted to do, but I just knew that engineering was not my cup of tea and I just wanted to be in business, this was a perfect choice. It's a course which will keep you deeply rooted in your technical background while giving you an overview of everything which you need to know when you are entering the management field. So I feel by the end, when you graduate, you will certainly have an idea as to which sector you want to venture into. For me, I discovered that I have penchant towards marketing, and hopefully it will be a sector where I would want to make my career in. One piece of advice which I would really want to give to the potential students over here is that you should really consider Asia as an option when you're selecting your masters. Because as everything goes, people usually consider America, UK and Australia, but this is a very unconventional choice, and I think it's a great experience and it's a great choice to make. The subjects offered are awesome. The type of education which is offered here is at par with the best universities out there. And Masters is an investment of time and your money, so you have to make sure that wherever you go, you're going to retain whatever you learn. And one thing about HKUST is whatever you study over here is going to retain in you. And I think that's really, really important. Because it's not just about your academics, it's how you improve as a person and how self-enriching the experience has been. So Hong Kong is a great option to be, and HKUST should be a consideration when you're thinking about masters.